guys, it's not tests, but it was just my mom said something about she was gonna buy something else more than chicken and chips, and I really wanted chicken and chips, so I did the sad face. Mom, I'm going to look if there's any glue and stuff like that. Okay, so this is the boss time. It's too much. It's fine. Ooh, this looks good. I don't know what it is. But it's basically, yeah, there was the girl over somewhere here, and like she was looking at the glue. I was looking at the glue too, and then she picked up the glue. But I wonder if she knows it's £3.50 for the glue. And Jesus got this some big thing. Lawless. Okay, anyway. Shit, I don't know if you heard that, but I always see people have this. This is for £4 in Tesco. Comment down below if you have these pens. Comment down below how much it is in your shop. Oh, I don't want to lose my mum again. Sorry. I'm like literally I love Gloucester. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry. Just over there. Just go. Right now where I'm going is where the iPhones are. And I did a video about that on YouTube, so but I never uploaded it yet. So yeah, so it's just over there. Yeah, I haven't uploaded it yet. So yeah, you would see it. Yeah, I'm gonna upload it today because I did upload it, but it deleted itself. So. Yeah, I know. Ooh. My mom said I should take that. Well, I didn't even know she said this to me. But if she says so, then of course I'm gonna end the video. And she said, yeah, carry on, I'm gonna end the video. So not there. I don't even know. Yeah, somewhere here. Not hurry up. I'm very bored. What's the time? Hi. I'm just gonna ask you to do myself. But I'm this is gonna have to because I want to show it. What other things you think I should do? I thought you think I should do a part two of this video. I think you think I should do a Q&S and tell me if you want me to do a giveaway. There's so much stuff going on in this video. Nothing stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah. So, because remember I said I'm just people their heads like, why are they just, why you just, no! Sure. Because I basically, I went to this street and I just asked to switch street. Shred biting. And also go to our trip too.
It says take a break. That one's hot.
Plus, I already have money. Ha ha ha. I already have money. I'll show you my hair. It's not really that much, like 30, 20 something. Imagine it was pounds. I could buy the blue by now. It's £2.50. Buy the blue by now. Actually, it's the spoon. Oh, that hurts. Guys, you know the song. Take you off the me. Oh, and guys, tell me if you want me to do like a singing video. Like, tell me what song you want me to do, and then like, and then I'll sing it. So yeah, I'm really bored. I'm really hungry. I want some juice. I want some food. I want some fun. I'm gonna get some food anyways. Haha. Can you guys like give me questions and answers? My videos, and I will just go to like chocolate chips because she's finally done. I might end the video right now. Okay, we're going out. Okay. Okay, we're done. Go out. Okay, we're out. Super drunk. It was super drunk, but. Okay, so we are going to like we're going Bali's, yeah. Bali's, yeah. We're going Bali's, yeah. I think this is our log. Comment down below if it's actually stops at the food shop. Great. Just stop at the food shop. Great. Just great. I planted it. Are you going, Lau? Yes. Now we're going. Look, I would love a chip. And my favorite rocket chip. Go through the side to get some chocolate chips. No, that's not good. I'm telling you. That was a song that I would get, even if I made it up. The chocolate chips one. Chocolate chips one. It's like getting. And I'll show you. Okay, so that's why we need random shop.